SOFTSLIDE Technology is a breakthrough for precision rubber seals.
With SOFTSLIDE Technology has not additional cost during the production of the seals, since the rubber surface texturing is imprinted of the tooling sets and transforms to the seal during the molding.
The customised friction is achieved by specific 3D texturing of the rubber, without modification of the counter surface, without additional lubrication and without the changes to the rubber compound.
By complex 3D surface texturing, SOFTSLIDE Technologies allows us to deliver or to create seals that deliver low friction according to our client specifications.
SOFTSLIDE Technology allows to customize friction values of rubber seals.
SOFTSLIDE Technology improves seals functionality, prolongs seals' actual service time and reduces the service downtime.